I am right on this bed. Dang it. Missed him. I almost got him. It was in his mouth that time. Really? What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I'm all dirty. I just got off of work. I tried fishing yesterday, filming a video for y'all. I couldn't make it happen. I tried to catch a spawning fish. I might have put that clip in this video. I'm not too sure. Today I only have about an hour, so it's currently 6:38. So it gets dark at around 7:45, 7:59, or something like that. I'm gonna try and catch a fish. Come in clutch. Probably won't happen, but the objective for today's video is to teach y'all how to flip and pitch. I know some of y'all may not know how to do that, and I want to teach y'all how to do that today. So I'm gonna head down there, teach y'all the basics. I kind of want to make this like a series or something where I just show y'all how to do things like fishing related, how to fish baits, or do things along those lines like flip and pitch. Maybe even show y'all how to use a bait caster rod. If y'all want to see something like that, drop it down in the comments down below, because I want to make this a series where I show y'all how to do things fishing related if I know how to do it. But with that being said, let's talk in more fishing. I'm gonna head down there and show y'all what I know. Let's get to it. All right, so flipping took me a while to learn. I've known it for probably about a year now, but the basic concept of it is you want to get your bait and hold the weight. Do not hold the bait itself, because you can hook yourself. This goes for jigs also. You can flip jigs also, and you want to hold the bait like almost close to your reel. So when you flip it, it's very important how you do it to get the most distance out of it. The way I like to do it is kind of put my rod tip down, and you want that bait to swing right above the water. You don't want it to hit the water, but you want it to swing right above the water. So just to show you how it looks like, just like that. And as far as letting the line go, when to let go, that's kind of hard to explain. You kind of just have to get the hang of it just by practicing, but that's the main concept of it. That's how you flip a bait. That's how I like to flip a bait. That's how I learned to get comfortable with it, and I get the most distance out of that. You know, you can also like really do it a lot. You might get a backlash like I just did if you want your bait to get somewhere pretty far. It works sometimes, but the further you go, the more chance you have of getting a backlash. So I only like to flip like docks and stuff, or if I'm on a boat, which I really never am, or I've gotten on a boat like a few times. But if you're on a boat, you're flipping branches, you want to cast in a certain area and you're kind of close to it, flipping comes in handy, especially if you're using jigs and stuff, because it also makes that bait land not as hard on the water if you do a full-on cast. So there's an advantage to it. It's not that it just looks cool, but yeah, that's basically how you flip. That's how I flip my baits, flip and pitch. I don't think we're gonna catch any fish today, if I'm being honest. I don't have that much time. I'll keep flipping and pitching for y'all so y'all can kind of see how I do it, just like that. Now to get to this point, I mean, some of y'all may catch on pretty quick, but like me, it took a while to get really good at it and flip pretty far. So it takes a while sometimes to learn it. You just got to get the hang of it, but once you do know how to do it, it comes in pretty handy at times where you got to be quiet, you got to be stealthy, and you got to be accurate. That's the main reason of flipping and pitching. Let me know if you like this kind of content where I teach y'all how to do things like I said in my intro, teach y'all how to use baits, how to flip, how to pitch. Just drop a comment down below if you want to see anything else, because I don't want to just go out and fish every single time and just catch fish. I want to show y'all how to do stuff. Drop a comment down below if you want to see how to fish a bait. Like topwater poppers, they have a specific way of being fished, so I can teach y'all that also. I'm gonna show y'all right now. I'm gonna head over to the dock, how I flip the dock, how I flip and pitch it. Alright everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. I know it was a short video and I didn't catch any fish, but I mainly wanted to show you how to flip and pitch. I tried my best to catch fish. I tried a bandito bug, I tried topwater within a span time of about an hour. I really do have to head out of here though. But let me know down in the comments, like I said, if y'all have any ideas for this series that I want to start, basically like a small series on how to fish, like how to do things along those lines, how to fish baits, anything like that, anything fishing related. Drop a comment down below if you want to know how to do it. I think next video I want to go over how to fish a topwater popper. Depending on how the topwater bite is, I'm not too sure. I do want to catch fish in those videos, kind of show you how I do it. But yeah, just a quick video for y'all. I know it wasn't too long, just kind of showing y'all the tips and tricks of flipping and pitching. I hope y'all learned something. Let me know if y'all achieve it yourselves. It does take some time, but I know y'all can make it happen. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.